What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be talking about upcoming catalysts and just overall what the charts are telling us about the future of Shiba Inu, and basically a bunch of gains that I believe to be coming soon and potential gains for all of us that are SHIB holders. Now we're going to get right into this and go ahead and go on CoinMarketCap. As you guys all know, I hope you guys are using this. If not, it's free, and it basically shows you the places in basically rating the overall cryptocurrency market. So as you can see, Bitcoin number 1, Ethereum 2, blah, 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 down, and SHIB has fallen out of the top 10, but that is nothing to be worried about in my opinion. Right now, of course, we're on a pullback, but that is okay. Now on the 1-day chart, all you see is that it's negative or that it's gone down. You really can't see much. 7 days, same thing. You see a little bit of a pump here, but then soon after that falls off once again. But once you start to back up to the month, or even 3 month, you can kind of see the overall downward trend. But what I do want to show you guys is something that I feel like people aren't talking about, and not enough of us look at the overall picture and back up and look at everything as one rather than looking at each individual thing. So let's go over to TradingView. This is the same thing and just basically what we just looked at. And you can see, I want to mark this up for you guys and show you exactly what I'm seeing. So this is not super complicated, but this is basic fundamentals, right? If we take a look at this, basically this little channel that's happening right now, and you go in here, it's basically going between this same little spots over and over again, right? It looks like it's consolidating and going downwards at the same time. We're not seeing a ton of downward. We saw some at the beginning, or we see some right here, but other than that, we've seen it gone pretty much in the same spot. And yes, we are seeing this downward form and kind of this downward slant, but at the same time it's consolidating, staying within its same pattern. Now what gets scary is when it starts to break pattern and do other things that doesn't really make sense and fall true to what it's been doing. However, let's just take a step back, right? Let's scroll backwards and let's take a look at what happened before. This looks very similar, right? This was that first parabolic move where it pushed up like crazy, came down, and then consolidated. Now, tell me, does that not look somewhat familiar to what we're seeing right now? And then right after that, it consolidates for quite some time, and then it starts to explode once again. So I hope you guys are getting understanding what I'm getting at here by saying that it's looking like it's gonna happen again, especially with all the catalysts that I think are coming soon. We have Robinhood potential listing. Kraken is something that's recent, but it's not as big of an exchange as a Robinhood is. I feel like some people in this community kind of make everything out to be the biggest thing that's gonna happen for Shiba Inu, which I don't think the Kraken listing is or was. It's just not that big of a deal when you're talking about Robinhood, or the fact that it's already listed on Coinbase and it's already listed on Webull, it's already listed on Binance, it's already listed on all the major ones. So something like Kraken, which is an up and coming or a pretty good exchange, it's not quite those top guys, you know what I'm saying? But something that is really big and something I talked about before, if you guys have not checked that video out, go check it out. But AMC is going to be accepting Shiba Inu. The CEO of AMC has already announced it and already talks about Shiba Inu already, and definitely likes what the coin is doing and likes the coin in its community. However, we also have Robinhood. So if we have Robinhood and AMC, both of those huge catalysts and big companies to back Shiba Inu, we could see a absolutely huge parabolic move in the upward direction, and something that would give us that catalyst to really push forward. And this is what I'm calling the calm before the storm. Right now, we have this calm waters. Basically, we're going down and we're consolidating and whatnot. However, the storm is coming, and I believe that we are going to see a big change in momentum and big change in Shiba Inu's price action coming very soon when we see those catalysts actually happen. Keep in mind, if you guys enjoy how I break down stocks or break down this stuff, you can check out my Patreon, and it further supports me, but also gives you guys a chance to get some one-on-one consultations with me, where I can talk about anything and everything that happens with investing and basically teach you how to do fundamental analysis or whatever you want to do. And with these subscriptions, you can get one session per month where we get to talk about whatever, and I have some other little stuff with the Discord going on. But if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and do so. But even if you don't want to support me any further that way, please go down and subscribe to the channel. Watch some of the other videos if you haven't seen them. There's a lot of good information that I have on Shiba Inu that I've been posting for quite some time now. So if you guys would like to check that out, go ahead and do so. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I just wanted to let you guys know that right now might not be the worst time to add to your position size, considering that it is coming down, which means you're getting a deal and you're only getting a deal if you buy when it's down and sell when it's high, or just don't sell at all. You keep buying. The lower that it goes, you keep buying, because then once it starts to go up, you've averaged your price down. Let's say you initially started out at 0.0008, and now you've bought some more in at 0.0004. Now your average price is now 0.006. So you've taken your average cost that was way high, bought in lower, and now your average cost of your initial or your total investment is much cheaper than what you started. So buy low, sell high if you want to, or don't sell, just hold forever. I think that that's not a horrible idea, but I think at some point you are gonna wanna cash out. If you guys wanna know how to navigate Shiba Swap, because I have had a lot of people hit me up and ask me, hey, how do I take my stuff and withdraw it? Or how do I stake my coins or unstake my coins, or move it back to my MetaMask, or move it back to my Coinbase wallet? All that stuff, I know how to do those things, and I can help you guys do that if you guys are not super tech savvy or just not familiar with the platform. If you guys would like to do that, like I said, hit me up on the Patreon or in my Discord, link in the description. Go ahead and message me on there privately and we can set something up as well. Anyways, guys, don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure that you guys stay focused, keep a cool head, and keep investing. Catch you guys later. That's my boy Pop. I'm not chopping him, you know what I'm saying? I'm not taking his stuff. That's my boy Pop. He says keep investing. That's a really good guy. If you guys don't know him already, go ahead and check out his channel as well. But anyways, stop rambling. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.